Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is vlog number 51, and today I will just be setting up a wheel alignment. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to show you how I set it up. After a test drive, I pull up onto the rack and stop the wheels right before the turntables. I like to raise the car up first to a height that's good for me before I get started. I input the tire specifications right on the machine. Then I go around to each wheel and hook up the hose. I love this new Hunter. It's better than any other wheel alignment machine that I ever worked with in the past. I mount all 4 sensors to the tires in any order, it don't matter. On these new Hunter racks, unlike some of the old ones, I don't have to roll back, then roll forward to compensate. I just roll forward just one time. And that measures my toe and camber. So here I am, just rolling the car forward one time. I scan the VIN into the computer and it automatically comes up with the car, year, make, and model. After that, the machine prompts me to install the brake pedal depressor so that I can do castor swing. This measures the castor of the front wheels. After the castor swing is done, it automatically goes to the this screen where it shows all my specifications in the green and in the red. The green I don't really worry about. The red is what I think I need adjusting. I like this view here. This is what I like to work with. It's usually an order operations that I go through, starting with the right rear, left rear, right front, left front. So in this case, I'm gonna start with right rear toe, then left rear toe. Then I'm gonna move to the right front. Camber and castor, they look really close to the green. Like you see them arrows, just a little tweaking, and they're gonna jump over to the green. Then I'm gonna do the right front toe, and I'm done. Thanks for watching.